Developed in Japan, ZIPPKOOL air-conditioned jacket is being used by over 2 million users to prevent heat-related illness and boost productivity. The two built-in fans on the jacket constantly bring in fresh air, which is then circulated to reduce temperature and humidity built up inside the jacket. This keeps the worker cool and comfortable to minimize heat fatigue. This innovative cooling mechanism, called direct cooling technology, utilizes our body's natural cooling function of sweating and enhances it by vaporizing sweat. Only with the circulation of abundant air is this natural convection cooling made possible. As much as 7 gallons of air per second is constantly blown into the jacket. Specially designed fabric traps the air inside the jacket so that it circulates throughout the body. Without such air movement, the body cannot cool down in time and overheats, causing reduction in attention, accuracy, and productivity. These are all symptoms of heat exhaustion. Creating a work environment free of heat exhaustion doesn't just protect your workers, but it also leads to higher production. ZIPPKOOL actually reduces cost. That is why 5 of Japan's largest general contractors equip their workers with ZIPPKOOL, and thousands of subcontractors and construction companies have followed. In the recent days, use of ZIPPKOOL has spread to other industries like agricultural and manufacturing. In light of the expansion and application, Japan's AC jacket market continues to grow, and in 2019, it is estimated to reach $300 million. Achieve safe work environment with higher output. It's possible with ZIPPKOOL cooling gear.